These crispy vegetable fritters are what happens when summer veggies and a hot skillet come together. They're golden, crunchy, and honestly irresistible. First up, the zucchini. Shred it using a box grater or your food processor's shredding disc. Then give it a light squeeze with a clean kitchen towel. No need to go full Hulk. Squeeze just enough to remove some of the excess water so your fritters stay crisp, not soggy. A little moisture is okay. Now shred your carrots, onion, and garlic. Keep the pieces small and even so the flavor hits every bite. You can swap in green onions or shallots if that's what you've got. This recipe plays nice with substitutions. Mix your chia egg by combining 2 tablespoons of chia seeds plus 5 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes until it has gelled. If it gets too gloopy, just stir in a teaspoon of water to loosen it up. In a big bowl, toss together the zucchini, carrots, corn, onion, garlic, parsley, and chia egg. Mix it well. Also, toss in the corn. If using frozen corn, rinse it under warm water to melt the ice crystals, then drain it thoroughly. Now add flour, cornmeal, baking powder, salt, black and white pepper. Stir it until combined well. If it's too wet, sprinkle in another tablespoon of flour. The mixture will be pretty dry, but if it's too dry, add water a teaspoon at a time. Scoop up ping pong ball-sized chunks, shape them by gently creating a ball, and then flatten them with your hands. You'll get about 16 fritters from the mixture. Fry the fritters in batches and don't crowd the pan or they'll steam instead of crisp. Fry 3 to 4 minutes per side. Peek underneath to check for that golden, crispy perfection. If it looks like a fritter you'd swipe right on, it's ready to flip. Transfer them to a paper towel or wire rack and hit them with a pinch of salt while they're hot. Keep them warm in a low oven if you're batch frying, then serve with your favorite dips. These fritters are crispy, veggie-packed, and 100% snack approved. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.